Hey everyone, back to my channel. Today is day 36, February 5, and I'm on a 366 day of life journey. Life journey. So what is this journey is? Each day for this year, 366 days, I will be live and sharing my journey from. Uh, I have started from January to the December. So on this journey how much I will upgrade and improve, so that's the goal I want to set for myself. And starting this live, I want to just give a recap of today's day. So today I had a kind of productive day at the office. But after coming home, I need to make a routine and kind of messed up because of something today. And tomorrow, from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'm starting my gym journey again. So I'm so much excited for it. And besides that, need to control some of my habits too. And also today I will be live for 1 hour, then after I need to study for my academics. So that's the plan. So without wasting a time, let's get into the video. So today we are learning express and making some project with express. So let me first see what kind of projects can we make today. RK bro, hi. Today you are early. Yes bro, to be precise, I was st- at my initial live days, like I used to start live from 11 p.m. But because of something I do before live, like I study for one academics, yeah. So that I studied before live, so that was kind of messed up. So I was coming live at 11:30, but my initial time for live was 11. So right now in Nepal it is 11:01, yeah. So and besides after today live I need to study for my upcoming practical. So i'm s- going for 1 hour live, then after I need to study for my academics practical also. So today I'm going to make a today I will use like ChatGPT or some other blog or some medium and spin on express.js application. So I think I will be making URL shortener. So that's the plan today. So let's get into it. So just let me set up my project and then after I will start my live. I will share my screen. Mm, BC practical? No, no. My BSc physics practical. My science. So let me just hold a second. Let me take out my. So I have never made a short URL like short URL system. So let's just. So just now I had this idea. So just I want to test out my knowledge and eventually learn also. Okay. What's the issue? Let's fix it. Like, uh, right now I'm making just a Express one URL shortener web app just for practicing Express. And for that web like we are making web based editor, yeah, like this PS Code kind of online where we can do challenge. So I'm making Figma file of that. Like I really want to have a clean UI and to start like processing like critical thinking, yeah. So for like I don't want to just come and live and say okay, so today we make this and just figure it out, yeah, obviously, but like out of having no idea, like I don't want that, yeah. I want like to the point what you mentioned. No, like I'm saying right now I'm making like one URL shortener from like Elbow chat GPT and other things, yeah. Yeah, like pure code editor mean I'm making one web base, like okay, when you go to their site there will be a challenges, yeah, like 30-day JS challenge, 30-day Rust challenge, or any like 30 days or 1 week or 6 month challenge where you have to come every day on their site and submit your code, or like just a tick mark on your journey and what you did, yeah, kind of one journaling kind of way. But like because I have seen like people do 30 day of JS challenge, but there is like not a proper way to maintain their what are they doing on the daily basis. Yeah. So with that, like I'm actually solving that problem, but I'm giving them a live code editor, yeah, like the web-based code editor, so they can practice their challenges straight onto the BS code, or and also they can save those files in their account, like that kind of way I want to make. And for that like first of all I didn't had any idea like how the UI will look and what are the things like I'm getting from the like the user, what are the forms, what are the data types I need to store at my backend, yeah. So right now I'm focusing on making Figma, and I also made Figma today at my office, but let me finalize it more and share with you that Figma file, and we will start first coding the UI, then we will work on the other parts, yeah. So that's for that web-based platform. uh, Karan Patil, hi, hello brother. So that's we are making, but right now I'm just with the chat GPT and with the other blocks I'm making a simple sort like URL sorter, okay, like URL link sorter with QR code generator, and I'm storing it on the MongoDB Atlas. So just wanted to practice some MongoDB and Express because it was a lot of data and I had any practice with it. So that's the plan for the today. Why MongoDB takes so much time to load up every time? Let me take the MongoDB URL. Okay. Um, Stop. Okay. So let me take that. Let me take the. Okay. So that I need to add on my environment. So I'm just confused on. So yeah, I need this on my environment here. Let me paste it. And now I need this. Mm, Now I need to add here. Yeah, this one. Just a second, guys. Okay, so here I add a small models URL model. Yeah. This is for dv.js. Mm, Hostler आप भी Node.js सीख रहे हो? Yes, but I have learned Express and Node.js and also tried Next.js, Next.js, but it has been some time haven't programmed with the Express or any type of project I have created. Like I was learning Django at the backend, and I just skip this Express. And I'm also planning to do some stack project on upcoming my live video. Like I want to make some like e-commerce site with the stack. So right now I'm just practicing the Express. Biraz का screen share नहीं है. Like I didn't share at that time because I was like pressing some environment key. So that's why I didn't uh cannot find model dot environment. Hey Biraz, hello bro. Slot algorithm. I don't know what is the problem here. ये भाई ये बिराज भाई करना क्या चाहता है? यूएस यूआरएल सॉर्टर बना रहा है शायद। ब्रो आई एम न्यू इन दिस चैनल। हॉस्टलर आप भी नोट सीख रहे हो? बिराज आपका स्क्रीन नहीं है। हेलो हॉस्टलर, हेलो भाई। Yes bro, like I'm making this kind of app, but I don't know why. Okay, let me. I think required mongoose. I have installed mongoose or not? Yeah, I have created mongoose. Mm, always motivated. Hello, bro. So for new viewers, like what I'm doing or what is this date 36? Yeah. So I'm on a 366-day journey for like basically from January 1 to end of the December. I will come live each and every day and learn code and share my journey. So 366 days it's the uh, day I'm setting for myself to improve and upgrade myself, and on my life I will be learning new things, trying bunch of new things, and also working on my startup project. So that's the my aim for this channel, and if you want to be part of this journey and see where I will become at the end of this year, then please subscribe this channel and smack the like button. So that's all I want for now. So I have like coded from the express just like after so many time. So I'm not I'm having some kind of what's the startup precisely. So yeah, what's the startup means on this year I'm trying like I know program to code. Yeah, so like I'm learning to code also, and I know the marketing because at my previous job I have done the marketing job. So like the online digital marketing, yeah, so I can, if I can create some startup projects, then I can market it well also, so that will generate a revenue out of it. Hey bro, give me one project idea. So for a project idea, like you can make some, like on what tech stack, like do you want any app or web? Can you give me more background, like what your tech stack, like what do you know, like what are you learning, so I can be more precise. So so, so let's connect. Sure bro. If you like want my LinkedIn, then I will see, provide you my LinkedIn. So on the LinkedIn, I try to be more active, but yeah, so this is my LinkedIn mon stack. So what you can make is like if you are like a beginner or the intermediate also, then you can always make a multi-platform vendor application. So like a e-commerce, but where people can create their own e-commerce store like a multi-vendor. So if you are able to create a multi-vendor application, then you are like kind of more than a beginner, or like you are above intermediate level, not advanced, but you are slightly above the intermediate level. Okay, so that's the really great app, and we made it with like on my office also one time for a client, but that was a really complex program for me. Like why on that monster, like I was really handling the React part or the front end, but mainly like as I'm a front end developer, so I don't have so much back end experience. So right now also I'm like struggling to uh, see this back end code on the Express. Like I'm a front end Express, no front end React and Next.js developer. So I mean beginner to intermediate level. Then you can create a tidy app. Like, okay, so you are on a monster, yeah. So create a like proper authentication system, and where people can create their account, create their notes, and sort them also on their days, like on their ascending descending order. And you can add label also, like label for each category. So that's where you will be able to do uh, like data query on the mongoose from the like categorical way. So that can really help you on your beginner journey. Like obviously, like I'm also on a beginner journey, but like at the back end I'm noob. Like, to be honest, I'm completely noob at the back end, and I'm learning also on my life, like not just making project, but I'm also learning. Check out my, so you are saying about YouTube or LinkedIn? YouTube. Sure, bro. Osler algorithm, yeah. Bro, you are really up to game, yeah, bro. So lead code, okay. So bro, which language did you use here? Okay, bro, really good, bro. Like, to be honest, I'm wanting to learn DSE on Java. Bro, आप कहाँ पे जॉब करते हो? So bro, to be like for the new viewers, I'm from Nepal. So I'm on Nepal country, and I work as a front-end developer on a one startup. We are making a in-house web app. So that we are making, and like I'm on currently second semester of my BCA on Nepal. Like I'm doing dual D degree, so basically two bachelor program, and also I'm a full-time front-end developer. So that's my background for the new viewers. And before starting this front-end developer role, I was SEO expert for 1.23 month, like 1 year, 2 3 months. And then after I switched to the front end after learning, like self-learning the front end. And currently I'm like, it has been my kind of not like kind of just like on a like exact date, like professional way, it's been like 2.5 and 2 month, but I started this like about 5 to 6 month. So so first of all, I need to make a port on express. Then on this app, yeah, like app.use, I'm using the a URL routes. Okay, so I have created the URL routes, and on this URL route I have imported like required models dot URL model sort ID. So that will help me to sort on my URL ID. So I'm also importing Express. Yeah. So router.post I'm sorted. So that will taking a request and giving a response of long URL is response body, and construct URL is a generated one. Yeah. So try const URL is equals to new URL original long URL. Yeah. Await save JSON, and if there is any problem, then catch on the 500 port. Okay, so get at this short URL, take a response like a params, and try await URL, find one short URL. So model is created like Hmm. Let me see that again. API like that secret one from the MongoDB. Hey bro, turn some lights on. Make sure your eyes are not getting stressed. Okay, so I'm like confused. Like by having bright light, like what the difference it will make? Like I don't know. Like to be honest, like I always code at this dim light, cause I don't know. Like it always have been this way. So, but yeah, my eyes are stressed and you got that part right. I will be live for more 10 to 15 minutes and I need to like study for my practical exam. So after yeah 10 minutes I will be ending this live. And bro like I don't know like from the January 1 to like some like January 17 or 18 it was like full productive mode, but now like it been like 1 week. Like I don't know, like I'm feeling not well too well also, and just a kind of messed up schedule, so need to back up once more. Hey, where are you from? I'm from Nepal. like uh like some people pronounce Nepal, but it's like Nepal. Okay, so I'm from Nepal and currently on a 366 day journey, so it's day 36, so that means I will be live for more 300 days straight. Straight 300 days more, coming live each and every day. So that's the plan. What are you doing? I mean study or job? Like, so I do job as like a front end developer, and my current tech stack are like Next.js and React, and I'm learning like full stack also, like on that kind of self way. And like at this night time on this live, and for my academics I'm pursuing a dual degree. So one degree is on BCA and another is on BSc Physics, and both university has like flexible time, so I went there because I don't want to like give more time on just academics, not on the jobs kind of way. So right now like I don't need like kind of too much heavy on like attendance and other shit, so I'm able to do like full-time job as a front-end developer. And besides, previously I had like experience with the like role in the SEO expert role, so that's my background. So yeah, study and job both. Come to India for better jobs. Sure man, sure. Like okay, so right now I'm on my like on the BCA I'm on a second semester, and on the BSc Physics I'm on the second year. So need to first focus on that. And also like I know like I'm a like I need more to learn. Like there are so many things that I should try and learn, and yeah better uh and I will sure come to India for to meeting you all, and also for the job. Bro, and BS question, like what do you do bro? Like uh are you a developer, or like what tech stack are you into? And so like I usually like my like do you love India? Like obviously bro, like as I'm from Nepal, so like it is my neighboring country. And on the top of that thought, I was all you can Bollywood songs I listen. Like I just recently watched a movie like Animal going to the hall, and I'm also planning to watch Hanuman, and yeah, basically, like I was Dhrubrati of his like National's video. Obviously, bro, like I'm also a Hindu, so obviously, yeah. And what do you think about China? So, like, not a much of thought, like a specific thought on the China. So, if like, first of all, I'm not into so much kind of news, yeah. So I don't watch so many news, so I don't know what is right now on the China. But yeah, China is also a developed country, and yeah, like one thing I don't like about the China, like I frankly speak, is they debt trap the other developing countries like they did to the Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. Like they give loan at a very high, like like they give loan for the infrastructural projects to the other developing country, and later on they do like debt trap, and they just make the country economic more worse than before. So that's the thing I don't like. But on the other side of thing, what they are doing on the quantum or like scientific level, yeah, there are very good universities, and the people are also smart on a way. And yeah, that was my thinking. Nice, so you are aware about it. Yeah, like I don't watch the like trending news, but I like to see like the geopolitics, because on the future my also dream is to like start a company or like do something on my own. Yeah. So what I found out is if you want to do any business related thing or startup, so like on a very high level, yeah. So there should be some sense of geopolitics of how geopolitics can hamper or like make good of your business. And second thing, please see the screen when you are speaking. Sure, bro. Like my okay, sure. Like okay, so right now I was thinking more, yeah. So like thinking more, so that's why it happened. But so, like generally speaking, yeah, I kind of do this, but you will grow very soon. Okay, sure, bro. Like, thanks a lot for this advice. Yeah, like, while I speak, like, I like do like this, yeah. So, yeah, I don't need to do that kind of movement of my eyes. And also, I'm truly happy, bro. Like, it's been 1 month starting, like, going live each and every day, and really love the feedback from you all, guys. And really, like, it gives me more power to go more this year, like full year, without any gap, without any break. So that's the bar I'm setting for myself. And I also figured it out, like one thing that I like each and every day are not like each day will not go as like productive as we expected, yeah. So yeah, I'm okay with my low day and my high day also, but on the low day also I will come live, and on the high day also I will come the live. So that's the thing. Love from India, sure, bro. Like what the sign I can do. Okay, peace, yeah, bro. Bye. कहाँ से हो आप? So, bro, I'm from Nepal. I'm from Nepal. Mm, so there is some issues with my code right now. Like I'm trying to make it from the. So this is my just model DB Connect. Yeah. Are you studying engineering? No, bro. Like I'm doing dual degree. So in my country, like my dream is to go on a quantum computing. So many of you know or not, but I truly believe in the next 5 years there will be a boom of quantum computing. Yeah, so for the quantum computing, I really need like physics, mathematics, and also like computer. Like basically, I'm a front end developer, so I also wanted to have kind of a computer science study. So I took this both university. So where okay, please teach me how to create a database in Node.js. So okay, so I'm following Monstack. Yeah, so there are like multiple ways to create database, but through MongoDB. So like basically you can install. Okay, so you can basically install MongoDB Compass, like MongoDB Compass at your desktop, and you can also connect on your locally. But if you like, I suggest you go through like a MongoDB Atlas, so where you will create one project and one database, and you will connect your MongoDB with like so with the like MongoDB for VS Code. Yeah, so you will take this URL and you will add it on your .env, and while creating the cluster you will have to give a username and password. Yeah, so on this password field you have to set your password, and I and just give a on the environment variable. And then what you need to do is so I'm doing it from the mon, yeah, like from the react. So react, so like basically uh I need like mongoose, like it is a object relation like ORM for the database, yeah, for the MongoDB. So it has its own mongoose. So basically you need to install like mongoose. Oh sorry, what I saw. Okay. Uh basically you need to install mongoose and .env and other thing what you like express, and you need to create one config file dv.js. So it will take the mongoose.env and URI, and then take from your dot like this environment file, yeah, mongodb URI, and then just by like connecting and listening to that port and also connection. So db dot is on, yeah. So on your app.js and on your module, so you need to create your schema for your mongoose tables. So it's the way. So basically like, there are multiple videos and you can learn from and start project, but I highly suggest to learn like node and express more kind of nice way and start like mongodb. But you can use mongodb at other backend also, yeah, like the python. Like one of my friend has used like django, and like he has used mongodb atlas on his django project. So yeah, basically you can use mongodb, this mongoose, on any backend thing you want. But basically the way is to create your database, your cluster in your mongoose atlas, and connect with your creating a .env on your like backend file, and just connecting with it and create one schema and just run it to see if your like schema is generated on your like mongoose atlas or not. And for an example I can show you one of the, so yeah, this one real estate I can show you. Like I created one real estate project, yeah. mm, so it was before, like I think it has become some time already. mm, I think it has been paused. I just not trying to reopen it again. So I think I was able to give some context, but still more like I can say like I'm a front end developer, yeah, so I have no much experience on the back end, but slowly I'm learning it and grasping the knowledge and the things I need like a workflow. So soon on the upcoming days, I will be able to explain you our more depth and eventually create a video also like a for 5 hour monostag video like that kind of YouTuber do, yeah, like they create some project based videos. So that will come, but for that also I need to be able to like and explain my code. Maha, hello, where are you from, Maha? हिंदी में बोल भाई. I'm from Pakistan. Hindi में बोल. Brother, like I'm from Nepal, so I know Hindi. Like I can understand Hindi well, and I was like Bollywood songs, videos, and cartoon from my childhood. But I really like हमको आता है हिंदी बोलना क्योंकि हमले टीवी और हमने फिल्मों से सीखा है पर I'm not like I don't speak Hindi at no need to speak in Hindi, speak in English. Yeah, like just like I know to like I understand Hindi all thing, but I have never speaken Hindi in my like local area. Like we talk in Nepali, yeah, so we have our native language Nepali. So it is kind of similar also. From where are you learning coding? So basically on my high school I started learning programming on my own from like just starting from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and now at my front end role I'm doing my job as like Next.js developer. So Next.js is like a framework for React, and I use that. Like basically there are like so many videos like you from the Udemy, you can have course from the Coursera, there are Meta, like so lot place to learn from code, like they are completely free. Like sometimes I can like keep track of where from I'm learning. Yeah, could you suggest any channel or story material? So please guide us how to get a job so that we can study. So yeah, like I like on the recent days I really love this channel. Okay, this Dave Gray, this person I really love channel. I can recommend you this one. And obviously there is free code camp, there is code step by step, and like if you're talking about the wave, yeah, so if you go on this Coursera, so my purchase or like Coursera Meta. So on this Coursera is like this Meta courses from like Facebook, so they gave you front end and back end also. You can learn completely for free. Yeah, this Monstack Meta iOS. So there is Meta front end developer or back end developer. So these are the thing on, yeah, chai or code, yeah bro, chai or code. I really love this channel. Like I still watch his video. Like there is one back end playlist. Yeah, like I'm following that. This Todar is the best man. Yeah, absolutely. I agree. Absolutely agree. Please guide us how to get a job. So basically I will say like on my high school I started doing internship. So while going on a job I was able to give like some kind of I have a experience like working as a professional way. Yeah, because doing project from yourself at the home and working on a small team is very different. Because on a small team, like okay, so on the programming kind of feel like what from my experience the main thing is communication. Because on your team also you need to constantly speak with your supervisor, your PR, like your project manager, your QA, your UI UX designer, your backend developer. Yeah. So because on the Figma side, so there is some kind UI problem, then as a front end developer, you need to go and correct or solve, adjust this can be achieved by programming or not. And at the back end, so you are kind of fetching some data and you are not getting what you expect from that data, then you have to say your backend developer. Yeah. So while going for a job, first of all, if you go and get some internship, like it can be for a free also. Yeah, like free working for 1 month for one company. Then if you go on a real job, then you can say, okay, so I know the agile methodology, like what are waterfall and how we do like sprint. So that kind of thing, like, oh, if you are really going for a job, then the company wants to you to know, like you can create brands on your GitHub and merge your code with the other developer or not. So like these small things are maybe makes a difference from a like experience, kind of like some like standard professional developer and a like self learner. Like as we self learn, like we are always learning on our own. Yeah. So we don't like have like we know to push our code to GitHub but I think most of all we don't create brands and we merge our code from one branch to another. Yeah. And we do like clone videos, but on that clone video also, like uh, the programmer has like already planned out what it is. And but on the real job, there can be a kind of different technologies that you might to use. So this small things can really create a difference. Yes, you are right, Maha. Yes, thanks, brother, and bye and take care. Going to sleep. So yeah, sure, bro. Take care and have a good night. And see you tomorrow at this live. So tomorrow I will be completing this project. And okay, so like I need to study for my tomorrow practical also. Yeah, so that's why I am not able to focus in or in it more. But tomorrow I will like complete it and show you to you all guys. Like this is just a small project, like just for to understand and do like a month like kind of thing. But so for new viewers, like for yeah, basically I like to keep this to like viewer, like I'm on a 366 day journey. So it's my day 36. Yeah, so from day 1 to day 36 means from January 1 to February 6 I came live each and every day without any miss. And I will be doing this for like rest of this year to the uh, December end. And if you want to be a part of this journey, then smack that subscribe button. That's all I want to say for now. I forgot one thing. Okay, so let me. So yeah, it will expire in 24 hours. So I'm creating one token. Like okay, so after user is created, I need to create a token. So from that token, I can identify the user. Okay, so for the other kind of authenticated part, so if I want to give access to him or not, yeah. So that is really important, yeah. So yeah, like login should like a post obviously, and user dot find one email dot user dot den compare the password entered and the has passport found decrypt, yeah. Then password check const create a JWT token random token to expires in 24 hours and success returning, and if there is any error that 400 is the way to go, yeah. Just a moment. So yeah, how to test the endpoint. So on the postman it will create this kind of way. Okay, how to protect the endpoint. Let me see the final, yeah. Auth.js file will look like. So it will come at the token and the header, yeah. Decode await z85 token, pass the user down to the endpoint here, valid request, okay. Ayusman, hello bro. Bika Steve, hello Bika Steve. So just a second, okay. I will just create a coffee and come in 1 minute. Just here is my coffee. I need to pour in my glass. So yeah, क्या करने करेंगे एक्सप्रेस जैसे के जब उसकी सामने ही एक्सप्रेस करके मौका नहीं मिला. Bro, you drink coffee in glass, not in mug. Oh, like I'm sorry, like yeah, on the mug, but I like to say like glass. Like I don't know why I said it got glass. Like basically, what I do is at the night time, yeah. So I just make a 1 liter coffee like beforehand, and I just pour it on a mug, yeah, mug, and then I just had a sip throughout the night on the mug or in the mug. In the mug, bro. How is your article query going? Yeah, bro. Like food for and yeah. So you are that person like I talked before like 2 day ago. So because of some name, I'm not able to uh, identify, yeah. But articuity like I learned about like, okay, so just for giving a small workflow of how the articuity works, okay. So I will create one api.js, yeah. So on that I will have one base url and other endpoint. So there are like a mutation and query. So like on the mutation I can like post, I can like mutate the data on the backend, and on the fields I can get the data. So okay, and I was able to implement on my that project, and I was able to do like update, create companies, and also the view company. So yeah, so another thing is for like I was so confused on the extra reducer, yeah. So like extra reducer are like nothing like okay. So at my first thought, what I was thinking and my thinking was wrong was at first I learned redux toolkit, yeah, and I thought that I need to like save every data on the redux toolkit on the store, and from the data I'm getting from the article query also I need to store on the redux toolkit. But I was wrong. Like article query like it itself makes one like tree like one like store on your like main store, so you don't need to again store in the redux toolkit. That one my confusion was like okay. And did you remove that use effect that bugged me? Yes bro, I removed that use effect also. And that extra reducer what does is, if I want to do any extra logic like a business logic, okay, so I got from like backend one data, or I'm just mutating data, yeah. And on the post, after this is successful, after it will get like 200 success like status, I need to perform extra steps like extra something on the UI part or on this store part, then I use extra reducer. So yeah, bro, article query, I'm really loving it because just making one API and listing all the endpoint and taking that hook on my project, like it can be face, like it can be post. That's really giving me so much power. Whereas, bro, how to get the data? How to get the data? Uh, like from where? Like what are you talk? Like which data, bro? So like of that project I'm saying right now is I have already a back-end developer and he's giving me data. And right now I was talking about one project of my office I'm doing, that I was kind of didn't know like how to implement article equity, or like overall I didn't understand article equity at all at the start. So that what was I was thinking, or like how to get data. Like I'm confused, like what do you want to say about that? This is office project, no, like on my previous day live, like about 2 day or 1 day ago, I was asking like I am implementing article query on my office project, and I didn't know, like I didn't understand at all. And there is this 44 chan brother who like helped me to understand that concept more in detail. And right now he asked me about that, how is your article query going? And I was also learning article query on my live. Isn't this rubbish project? So first of all, there are no project that is rubbish, and every project is a learning, that can be a small or that can be a big. But right now this URL, like yeah, right now this is not a rubbish project because I'm learning it and I'm implementing it. So it is a very perfect project for me for my journey. 44 Chan bro knows coding. Yeah, bro. Like he's like I'm connected to him at the LinkedIn also, and he's really a great programmer on the web development. Oh, this is for learning, and then it's very good. Yeah, this shortener URL, yeah, is for learning, and for like actual project I'm making on my life just as kind of side project is another is a code web, so that I'm making a Figma. So I will be sharing that project Figma within some days, and we will be implementing the UI part. And for the backend part I also need to learn some kind of backend, yeah. So I had some experience with the Node and Express before, not but not so much that I can really start that project. So that's why I'm doing like kind of learning this backend for now. like as I said to you guys earlier, yeah, so after this live I need to study for my practical for my college. So for today I will be live for this much time, and if I can come live again after studying that practical, just today after some hour, but I might come or I might not come, but like daily one live is my thing. So I need to really start my study. So we see you tomorrow at this time. So take care everyone and have a great learning, and keep like take care, stay safe. Oh, I got a call. So yeah, take care, bro, everyone.